There's a washed out bridge here. The bridge was washed out due to structural failure. That sign was not saying that there was a Ford Ranger or something out here, it's just the bridge is gone. So if you do want to pass through, you do have to cross this little creek that's relatively shallow at the moment. Another Ford. Now this is a recent one. This was not like this last time. There was definitely a bridge here last time. It wasn't that long ago we was out here either. It was not that long ago. Doesn't even look like there's been any excavators or things here.